On April 7th, 2025, Trooper was traveling when notified of a pursuit by Hampton police. Trooper activated emergency lights and siren and began assisting in the pursuit. Trooper took lead and performed a successful pit maneuver on the truck, bringing the chase to an end. The driver, Katie McMahon of Hampton, Arkansas, was taken into custody without incident.
Tell them my location across street.
29, you're digital.
On February the 22nd, 2025, Trooper observed a gray Mercedes. The vehicle was continuously driving in the left lane and got passed on the right by an SUV, violating Arkansas traffic law.
Turn the car off. Don't even do it. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Put the keys on top of the car. He took off. He took off. Little Rock 37.
The driver ignored commands and fled westbound toward Lenoke at high speed. Trooper advised dispatch and pursued the vehicle, which reached speeds over 130 miles per hour, passing cars on the shoulder and showing total disregard for safety.
Try to see if one Little Rock can get spikes set up ahead of us. Civil. Speeds are about 90. Moderate traffic. I'm going to try to get to the one that both of us have spikes. Hey, well, we're coming up on 440. Give me just a second. I'll let you know if it stays. If it's better or not. I'm not going to make it in. Speed's about 140. Medium traffic.
I'm slowly catching back up to you. See if we get another charger.
The suspect exited at mile marker 175 and disappeared into Lenoke. Trooper lost sight of the vehicle and ended the pursuit.
Come out. I don't care about the decision. Take it out. You're about a half mile right there. That's it. We're right in the time.
A short time later, Trooper spotted the car again. The suspect fled again. The pursuit ended after a successful pit maneuver by Trooper. The driver was identified as Dominic Copenhaver. While on patrol, a trooper observed a motorcyclist and attempted to initiate a traffic stop. The motorcyclist ignored the emergency lights and fled the scene. The motorcyclist was driving recklessly, reaching speeds of around 112 miles per hour. His actions were extremely dangerous and put his own life at risk.
Y'all give it 15, 16 miles over the shoulder.
The suspect continued to drive recklessly, showing no regard for his own safety. Even a small crash at those speeds could have been fatal, but he didn't seem to care. He was focused only on fleeing, riding like a maniac.
I'm looking over on the map of the
The suspect made a sudden U-turn and accelerated again, reaching speeds of 100 miles per hour. He was doing everything he could to get away. Another patrol vehicle soon joined the pursuit to assist in the chase. The pursuit ended when the officer struck the motorcycle, knocking the suspect off the bike. The suspect tried to run on foot, but he was quickly apprehended by officers. On July 18, 2024, officer observed a black vehicle speeding, weaving through traffic, and rapidly accelerating. A traffic stop was initiated on the vehicle. As Trooper Cass returned to the unit to verify the information, the driver fled the stop. The vehicle continued at high speeds, running multiple stop signs and eventually reaching speeds over 100 miles per hour.
We're heading west on Pleasant Ridge. Correction, Pleasant Valley Drive. Speeds are at 70. Coming up on North Rocky Road.
light, push the lights off.
10-4, thank you.
What's the traffic?
The suspect was driving recklessly through the streets, weaving in and out of heavy traffic. His dangerous driving allowed him to narrowly avoid multiple collisions, showing complete disregard for the safety of others on the road. Despite the close calls, he continued to flee at high speeds, refusing to stop.
Going south, south on 430, south on 430. Traffic light, D60. 44, if you get a chance, be going into the GDI. We need it.
Trooper Cass performed a pit maneuver to stop the pursuit. The suspect vehicle struck a guardrail and rolled into the median. The driver was ejected from the vehicle. On January 17, 2021, Trooper observed a black Jeep traveling at 89 miles per hour. The vehicle was speeding in the left lane and aggressively tailgating other cars. The trooper activated the siren and pursued the vehicle as it continued to accelerate to over 100 miles per hour. The suspect Jeep swerved onto the lane divider, causing another vehicle to move into the emergency lane. Troopers stayed close behind, trying to predict the suspect's next move. The vehicle kept speeding, displaying reckless driving behavior. Trooper then maneuvered into the right lane, positioned the patrol car next to the suspect's vehicle, and performed a pit maneuver. The maneuver caused the Jeep to spin off the road, ending the pursuit without further incident.